Hello and welcome to the fifth part of mole concept and stoichiometry. In this part, we are going to understand the numerical of chemical equation. A chemical equation is a balanced chemical reaction in which when the reactants react, they form new substances with entirely new properties. These new substances are called products. In a chemical equation, all the reactants and products are represented by a definite set of formula. A chemical equation gives us three information. First about molecular proportion, second about relative mass, and third about relative volume if the reactants and products are gaseous. Now let's do some numericals of this topic. Balancing of chemical equation is very important in chemistry. Although according to the criteria of boards, a balanced chemical reaction will be given in the numerical, but still you should know how to balance a chemical equation. Now let us see what is given in our first numerical. In our first numerical, we have to calculate the calcium oxide formed when 82 gram of calcium nitrate is heated. Also we have to find out the volume of nitrogen dioxide evolved. The atomic weights are given here, also the balanced chemical reaction. In the working of this numerical, we will first of all find out the amount of calcium nitrate required according to this particular reaction, calcium oxide formed according to this particular reaction, and nitrogen dioxide evolved at STP according to this particular reaction. Then we will apply unitary method to find out how much calcium oxide is formed by 82 gram of calcium nitrate and how much nitrogen dioxide is evolved according to 82 gram of calcium nitrate. So according to this particular reaction, 328 gram of calcium nitrate is required. According to this particular reaction, 112 gram of calcium oxide is formed. And at STP, 22.4 liter of nitrogen dioxide is evolved. Now let us apply the unitary method. Therefore 1 gram and therefore 82 gram so 82 gram of calcium nitrate gives 28 gram of calcium oxide. Now let's apply this unitary method for nitrogen dioxide. Therefore, for 1 gram and therefore for 82 gram so 82 gram of calcium nitrate gives 22.4 liter of nitrogen dioxide. Now let's do our next numerical. In the second numerical, we have zinc blend. Zinc sulfide is roasted in air. We have to calculate the number of moles of sulfur dioxide liberated by 776 gram of zinc sulfide. In the second part, we have to find out the weight of zinc sulfide required to produce 22.4 liter of sulfur dioxide at STP. Here the atomic weights are given and the balanced chemical reaction. I have already calculated the amount of zinc sulfide required in this particular reaction and the amount of mole that is formed at STP here. So let's apply the unitary method. Therefore 1 gram and therefore 776 gram so 8 mole of sulfur dioxide is formed. Now let's write the chemical reaction again here. Now at STP, 2 into 22.4 liter of sulfur dioxide is formed or evolved by, we have calculated it here, 194 gram of zinc sulfide. Let's apply the unitary method. Therefore 1 liter, and therefore 22.4 liter cancellation, and this is giving 97 gram of zinc sulfide. Now let's do our next numerical. In our last numerical, we have an impure sample of magnesium that reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to give magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. According to the question, if 1 gram of impure sample gives 298.6 cc of hydrogen at STP, calculate the percentage purity of the sample. So we have here the atomic weights and the balanced chemical reaction given here. According to this reaction, 22,400 cc of hydrogen is evolved at STP by 24 gram of magnesium. Now we will use the unitary method to find out the pure magnesium in 1 gram of impure sample. Therefore 1 cc, and therefore 298.6 cc will give cancellation, so we have 0.3199 gram of pure magnesium in 1 gram of impure sample. Therefore the percentage purity will be part upon whole 1 gram into 100, and this gives 31.99% of pure sample. Here we have completed the 5th part, chemical equation, and also the complete series of mole concept and stoichiometry. I have kept the explanation as simple as possible, and I am sure you will be able to understand them easily. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. That's all for now. Take good care of yourself. Till then, goodbye.